Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Sydney. The local time is 11:40 a.m. As the seatbelt sign is still on, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. If you can reach your mobile phone, you can turn off the flight mode. Just a reminder, carry-on baggage may have moved in the overhead lockers and could fall out, so please take care. Don't forget to check your seat and seat pocket for personal belongings. Thank you for supporting our Fly Well initiative on today's flight. Remember to take any masks and wipes, whether they are used or unused, off the aircraft and place within general waste bin at the hangar. Once the seatbelt signing off, please remain seated until the customers in front or behind you have commenced disembarking. Please maintain an appropriate distance between yourself and other customers while you disembark today and throughout the hangar. Today, the customers travelling in business will be disembarking through the forward stairs on the left-hand side. For our customers in premium and economy, you will be disembarking through the rear stairs on the left-hand side as well. For your own safety, use the handrails and designated walkways. If you don't feel comfortable using stairs, please let one of the crew members know. Also, you would have noticed there is a special 747 headrest on your seat. As you disembark, you are more than welcome to take them with you as a souvenir. As this is a very special flight, we will be disembarking in a working hangar environment. We ask that you listen to this important information carefully to ensure that you have a safe experience. While you are in the hangar, in the unlikely event of an emergency, the fire alarm will sound, and a Qantas representative will direct you to the assembly area. Certain parts of the facility will be cordoned off for safety and security reasons. Please do not cross the barriers.